Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Crabby. Crabby. Crabby is an adjective that means irritable, grouchy, grumpy, ill-tempered, easily annoyed, cranky, complaining, etc. A person can be crabby or be in a crabby mood. Examples of how to use crabby in a sentence. Personally, I'm over the crabby comic shtick. It's been done to death. You're in a crabby mood today, said Carol. Well, I haven't had my coffee yet, replied Madison. Old Jack's the crabbiest person I've ever known, but the things he says are funny as heck. We've been stuck inside too long. Everyone is getting crabby.